Hey there, savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, the go-to destination for all things financial wisdom. Today, we're diving deep into a comprehensive guide on fixing your finances, step by step. We've got everything you need, from assessing your financial situation to cultivating a positive money mindset. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. But before we kick off, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're here to empower you on your financial journey. Now, let's get started on the path to financial freedom. Number 1. Assess your financial situation. Achieving financial stability begins with a comprehensive understanding of your current financial situation. To embark on this crucial journey, start by creating a detailed snapshot of your finances. Catalog all sources of income, whether it be your salary, bonuses, or any additional revenue streams. This comprehensive overview sets the stage for a clear understanding of your financial inflows. On the expenditure side, leave no stone unturned. Outline your monthly expenses, ranging from essential payments like rent or mortgage to utilities, groceries, and discretionary spending. This exhaustive list ensures that every financial commitment is accounted for, providing an accurate representation of your financial landscape. Once you've compiled this financial snapshot, analyze your expenses meticulously to identify areas where adjustments can be made. Are there discretionary expenses that could be trimmed down? Can you find more cost-effective alternatives for certain necessities? A critical self-assessment of your spending habits is integral to effective financial management. Consider leveraging technology to streamline this process. Financial tracking apps or tools can automate the tracking of your income and expenses, offering real-time insights into your financial behaviors. Visualizing your financial flows through these tools can be enlightening, providing a clear and tangible representation of where your money is coming from and where it's going. Number 2. Establish clear financial goals. Establishing goals serves as the compass guiding your financial journey, providing direction and purpose. Begin by delineating a spectrum of objectives, encompassing both short-term and long-term aspirations. Short-term goals may involve conquering immediate financial challenges like paying off a credit card, initiating an emergency fund, or saving for a specific purchase. On the other horizon, long-term goals could encompass strategic initiatives such as retirement planning, homeownership, or substantial investments. The effectiveness of these goals lies in their specificity and clarity. Apply the SMART criteria, ensuring goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, transform a vague goal like save money into a precise commitment, such as save $5,000 for an emergency fund within the next 12 months. This level of specificity not only provides a clear target, but also imbues your financial journey with a sense of purpose and achievement. By setting SMART goals, you not only navigate your financial path with precision, but also enhance your motivation and focus on the tangible milestones that lead to financial success. Number 3. Create a realistic budget. A well-crafted budget is your financial roadmap, guiding your spending and saving decisions. Begin by categorizing your expenses into necessities, discretionary spending, and savings. The 50/30/20 rule can be a helpful guideline. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, rent, utilities, groceries, 30% to discretionary spending, entertainment, dining out, and reserve 20% for savings and investments. Tailor your budget to your unique circumstances. If you find that a different allocation works better for you, feel free to adjust. The key is to strike a balance that allows you to meet your financial goals while maintaining a comfortable lifestyle. Number 4. Tackle debt strategically. Effectively managing debt, especially high-interest debt, is paramount for financial well-being. Initiate the process by meticulously listing all your debts, encompassing credit cards, loans, and outstanding balances. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts as your first strategic move, aiming to minimize the long-term impact of interest payments. Two popular approaches to debt repayment are the debt snowball and debt avalanche methods. The debt snowball method involves tackling the smallest debt first, gradually gaining momentum as each obligation is eliminated. This method can provide psychological satisfaction and motivation. On the other hand, the debt avalanche method prioritizes the highest interest debt, strategically saving more money in the long run by minimizing interest accrual. Selecting the right method depends on your preferences and financial circumstances. Whether you prefer the psychological wins of the snowball method or the financial efficiency of the avalanche method, committing to a structured debt repayment strategy is a crucial step toward achieving financial freedom. Number 5. Automate savings and investments. Embedding saving into your financial routine is paramount for long-term financial security. Automate this process by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings or investment account. The pay-yourself-first philosophy establishes saving as a non-negotiable habit, prioritizing it before other expenditures can take precedence. In addition to regular saving, building an emergency fund is a key financial safeguard. Strive to accumulate 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in this fund, creating a robust financial safety net. This reserve becomes invaluable in unforeseen circumstances, such as job loss or unexpected expenses, offering a buffer to navigate challenging times without compromising your financial stability. By automating savings and prioritizing an emergency fund, you fortify your financial foundation, ensuring a proactive and resilient approach to your financial well-being. Number 6. Educate yourself and seek advice. Embarking on a journey of continuous financial literacy is essential for sustained financial well-being. Stay abreast of personal finance, investment opportunities, and money management principles by immersing yourself in educational resources. Read books that offer insights into financial strategies, attend workshops to gain practical knowledge, and follow reputable financial news sources to stay informed about the ever-evolving financial landscape. Recognize that seeking advice from financial professionals is a valuable step. Consider consulting a certified financial planner who can offer personalized guidance tailored to your unique circumstances. Their expertise becomes a crucial asset when navigating intricate financial decisions, providing a roadmap to optimize your strategy for long-term success. By remaining committed to expanding your financial knowledge and tapping into professional advice when needed, you empower yourself to make informed decisions and build a resilient financial future. Bonus tip: cultivate a positive money mindset. Your mindset towards money plays a significant role in your financial success. Shift your perspective from scarcity to abundance. Acknowledge and appreciate what you have and focus on using money as a tool to create the life you desire. Gratitude and abundance. Practicing gratitude for your current financial situation, no matter how modest, can positively impact your mindset. Rather than viewing money as a source of stress, consider it as a resource that can help you achieve your goals and live a fulfilling life. In conclusion, fixing your finances is a journey that involves intentional steps and continuous effort. Assessing your financial situation, setting clear goals, creating a realistic budget, strategically tackling debt, automating savings, and educating yourself are key components of this journey. By following these steps and integrating them into your financial routine, you can build a strong foundation for financial stability and achieve a worry-free relationship with money. Remember, consistency and adaptability are crucial, and financial success is a journey that evolves over time. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found these steps to financial freedom as empowering as I did. If you're ready to transform your financial life, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your favorite tip. Connect with us on social media for more financial insights and updates. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join our growing community. Your journey to financial success is just beginning, and we're thrilled to be a part of it. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay financially savvy, stay inspired, and let's make those financial dreams a reality. See you in the next video.